Welcome to Halong Bay, one of Vietnam's most breathtaking destinations and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With its emerald waters and towering limestone cliffs, this place truly shines with nature's beauty. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the top spots to visit in this enchanting bay. Sung Sot Cave. Surprise Cave. First on our list is Sung Sot Cave, or Surprise Cave. Nestled on Bo Hon Island, this magnificent cave features stunning rock formations and vast chambers that will leave you in awe. T-Top Island. For adventure seekers, T-Top Island is a must-visit. A short hike rewards you with panoramic views of Halong Bay's iconic peaks. Plus, it boasts one of the best beaches for swimming and sunbathing. Bai Tu Long Bay. Next, we escape to Bai Tu Long Bay, often seen as Halong's quieter sibling. It offers dramatic scenery with fewer tourists, making it the perfect spot for tranquility amidst stunning landscapes. Luan Cave. For a unique experience, don't miss Luan Cave. Accessible only by kayak or small boat, paddle through a narrow arch into a hidden lagoon surrounded by towering cliffs. It's an unforgettable encounter with nature. Vieng Fishing Village. Immerse yourself in the local culture at Vieng Fishing Village. Explore this traditional floating village by bamboo boat and connect with local fishermen, gaining insight into their unique way of life. Cat Ba Island. Nature lovers will adore Cat Ba Island. As the largest island, it offers diverse activities, from hiking in Cat Ba National Park to relaxing on pristine beaches. Adventure or tranquility, Cat Ba has it all. Dau Go Cave. Another gem is Dau Go Cave, or Wooden Stakes Cave. Known for its colorful stalactites and historical significance, walking through its chambers feels like stepping back in time. Honga Choi Fighting Cock Islets. No visit to Halong Bay is complete without seeing Honga Choi, or Fighting Cock Islets. These iconic rock formations symbolize the bay, perfect for capturing unforgettable travel photos. Tuan Chau Island. Finally, relax at Tuan Chau Island, home to luxury resorts and beautiful beaches. Whether you want to unwind or enjoy water sports, Tuan Chau has everything you need for a perfect day. Halong Bay. Activities to consider: kayaking. Paddle through the emerald waters and limestone caves for a closer experience of the natural beauty. Cruises. Many visitors choose to explore Halong Bay on overnight cruises, which allow you to visit several spots, or watching the sunset from a boat, and enjoy activities like night fishing, Tai Chi, scuba diving and snorkeling. For underwater explorers, there are opportunities to dive and snorkel in certain areas, allowing you to experience the bay's marine life. From hidden caves to serene beaches, Halong Bay is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural wonders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you on the next journey.